Have you ever pondered about the universal laws and how they might influence your life? Let's delve into this intriguing universe, a place far more complex and mysterious than just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies. It's a realm governed by laws, not just physical ones, but laws that operate in our lives, shaping our experiences and our reality. These universal laws, they're not some abstract theories tucked away in dusty science textbooks. They're active, dynamic forces interweaving through our lives, influencing our every thought, feeling, and action. You see, at the very core of our existence, we're all part of this intricate cosmic dance, whether we acknowledge it or not. One of these laws is the law of manifestation, a mesmerizing process that brings our deepest thoughts and desires into the physical realm. It's like planting a seed. Our thoughts are the seeds, each carrying within it the potential to grow into something beautiful. And our feelings? They're like the water that nourishes these seeds, helping them sprout and flourish. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, has provided us with these laws to assist us in creating everything we desire. Yes, everything. From the love we seek, the peace we yearn for, to the abundance we aspire to, it's all within our reach. We just need to understand how to harness these laws, how to effectively plant our seeds and nourish them with the right feelings. And it's not just about conscious creation. Even when we're unaware, we're constantly sowing seeds with our thoughts and watering them with our feelings. It's an ongoing process, a continuous cycle of creation that's shaping our world, moment by moment. So, the universe isn't just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, it's a complex system of laws that we can actually tap into and use to our advantage. As we navigate through the following scenes, we'll explore more about these laws, the power of our thoughts and feelings, and how we can master the art of manifestation. So, stay tuned and prepare to embark on a journey into the intriguing universe. Scene script. Consider this. What if your thoughts and feelings are more powerful than you've ever imagined? Now let's dive deeper. Our thoughts and feelings are not just mere mental and emotional occurrences. They play a pivotal role in the grand scheme of life, specifically in the process of manifestation. Imagine your thoughts as seeds. Each thought you have is like a tiny, potent kernel with unfathomable potential. These seeds, when planted, have the capacity to sprout and grow into something tangible, something real. But a seed alone, no matter how potent, cannot sprout without water. That's where your feelings come in. Your feelings are like water to these seeds. They nourish your thoughts, giving them the sustenance they need to grow and flourish. When you think a thought and then feel the accompanying emotion, it's as if you're planting a seed and then watering it. It's a process of creation, a cycle of manifestation that's as natural as the changing of the seasons. This process is always happening whether we're conscious of it or not. Just like a gardener sowing seeds in a field, we're constantly planting these thought seeds into the fertile ground of the universe. Every thought we think, every feeling we feel, is a seed being planted. But here's the catch. Just like a gardener who plants seeds, we too have to be mindful of what we're planting. A gardener wouldn't plant a thistle seed if they wanted roses. In the same way, if we want positive outcomes, we need to plant positive thought seeds and nourish them with positive feelings. It's a process that requires awareness, intentionality, and care. So your thoughts and feelings aren't just fleeting experiences. They're potent seeds that you're constantly planting in the fertile ground of the universe. Each thought, each feeling, has the power to manifest into something real. So think wisely, feel deeply, and remember, you are always in the process of creating your reality. Now, let's delve deeper into the concept of manifestation. What does it mean and how does it work? Manifestation, in its purest form, is about bringing your desires from the realm of thoughts into the world of reality. It's the process of making visible what was once invisible, tangible what was merely an idea. It's the art of creating your reality based on your deepest desires, not by magic, but through the power of your thoughts and feelings. Imagine your desires as seeds. Each seed holds the potential to grow into a beautiful plant, but it needs the right conditions to thrive. Your thoughts and feelings are the soil in which you plant these seeds. When you nurture these seeds with positive, empowering thoughts and feelings, you create the right conditions for your desires to grow and flourish. Just like a seed, your desire needs nourishment to grow. This nourishment comes in the form of energy. The energy you put into your thoughts and feelings is the water that helps your desires grow. The more energy you put into visualizing and feeling your desires, the more likely they are to manifest into reality. It's important to remember that manifestation isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about creating the right conditions and then trusting in the natural process. Just as a seed doesn't need to be told how to grow into a plant, your desires don't need to be forced into reality. They just need the right environment, nourishment, and time to grow. So how do you create this environment? It starts with clarity. Be clear about what you want. Hold a vivid image of your desire in your mind. Feel as though you already have it. Your thoughts and feelings should be in alignment with your desire. Remember, positive, empowering thoughts and feelings create a fertile soil for your desires to grow. Next, nourish your desires with energy. Spend time each day visualizing and feeling your desires. The more energy you give them, the more they will grow. Remember, manifestation isn't some complex mystical process. It's as simple and natural as planting a seed and watching it grow. Neville Goddard, a profound spiritual teacher, had some enlightening insights about these universal laws and manifestation. He was a man of wisdom, and his teachings have left a lasting impact on countless spiritual seekers. He presented the universe not as a distant, impersonal force, but as an intimate part of our lives. He believed that we are not separate from the universe, but rather, we are one with it. Goddard's teachings focus on the power of our thoughts and feelings and how they relate to the universal laws. He taught that our thoughts are the seeds we plant in the garden of our minds, and our feelings are the water that nourishes these seeds. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, is a seed we are planting. And just as a seed grows into a plant, our thoughts and feelings grow into our reality. He emphasized that we are always planting seeds, whether we are aware of it or not. Every thought, every feeling, every daydream is a seed that we are sowing. And these seeds, once planted, will inevitably sprout, grow, and bear fruit. The universe, according to Goddard, is always listening, always responding to the seeds we plant. But what kind of seeds are we planting? Are we planting seeds of love, joy, and abundance? Or are we planting seeds of fear, lack, and limitation? Goddard urged us to be mindful of the seeds we sow. He encouraged us to plant seeds that align with our highest desires, our deepest dreams. Goddard's teachings remind us that we are powerful creators, that we have the ability to shape our reality through our thoughts and feelings. He taught us that the universe is not something outside of us, but something within us. And by understanding and applying these universal laws, we can manifest anything we desire. And so we find ourselves at the heart of Goddard's wisdom. We are always planting. It's up to us to be mindful of the seeds we sow. So let's sow seeds of positivity, of love, and of abundance, and watch as the universe lovingly responds in kind. So, how can you make this knowledge work for you in your life? How can you begin your manifestation journey? Embarking on a journey of manifestation begins with awareness. It's about understanding that every thought and feeling you experience is a seed sown in the garden of your life. And just like a seed, it has the potential to grow and blossom into something beautiful. The first step on this journey is to be mindful of your thoughts and feelings. Pay attention to the thoughts you feed your mind and the feelings you nurture in your heart, because these are the seeds you're planting. Be conscious of them. Are they positive? Are they aligned with the reality you want to create? If not, it's time to weed them out and plant better seeds. Next, practice visualization. This is a powerful tool that can help you align your thoughts and feelings with your desires. Imagine the life you want to live. See it, feel it, and believe in it. This is like watering and nourishing your seeds, providing them with the right conditions to grow. Remember to be patient. Just like a plant, your dreams need time to grow. They won't sprout overnight, but with constant care and attention, they will eventually bear fruit. So don't get disheartened if things don't manifest instantly. Keep nourishing your seeds with positive thoughts and feelings, and they will grow in due course. Lastly, practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have now and for what's yet to come. Gratitude is like the sunshine that helps your seeds to grow. It creates a positive environment that attracts more of what you want into your life. Remember, your thoughts and feelings are powerful. Use them wisely and watch how your life transforms. As you embark on this journey, remember to keep your garden flourishing with positive thoughts and feelings. Keep planting, keep nourishing, and keep believing. Your manifestation journey is a beautiful one, and it's just beginning.